Ever wondered what it's like to make a real difference in people's lives? Let me take you inside my journey at PDMDS. And also wait till the end so that आप सीख सकते हो what my biggest takeaway was from this experience. So PDMDS is basically Parkinson's disease and movement disorder society. वी इंटर्न लाइक मेरे कॉलेज ने ऑर्गेनाइज किया था विद PDMDS. सो बेसिकली PDMDS के लोग आए थे हमारे कॉलेज में एंड दे एक्चुअली गेव अस अ ह्यूज PPT. They explained a lot of things. They explained what they do, what their aim is. They also explained all the symptoms of Parkinson's disease, dementia, and there was one more disorder that I cannot remember. If I remember, I'll put it on the screen. So वो होने के बाद they also explained our like what they expect us from interns, and we started the internship on the 5th of December. We were supposed to go only twice a week. So Tuesdays ko we had to go to Borivali ka center and Thursdays ko we had to go to Dadar ka center, and they were doing it in like a support center, support group jaise tha, where they would conduct physical therapies, which we would actually see, and they also did psychology K therapies as well, which obviously we were not a part of, but we saw basically physical therapies mainly. So it's the 5th of December, which is Thursday. It's our first day of internship with PDMDS and also at the Dadar Center. So they always told us to reach 30 minutes in 30 to 45 minutes before the session actually started. So agar session 12 baje chalu hote, so they would ask us to be there by 11:15, 11:30 max. And they actually debriefed us on the first day, especially they told us what we were supposed to do. So they told us कि like जैसे जैसे लोग आते रहेंगे, people who are the patients there, like individuals who have the disorder and the caregivers, we can talk to both of them, ताकि हम जब आगे चल के साइकोलॉजिस्ट बनेंगे 6 महीने बाद, so we will have an idea about what or how Parkinson's disease looks like with people, like uh, if you don't know anything about Parkinson's disease and what the symptoms are, you can check out the video. I made that video in advance a week before I'm making this, so you can go and learn about the symptoms beforehand. Because मैंने उस वीडियो में बोला था और अभी बोल रही हूँ कि लेट्स से 10 सिम्टम्स होते हैं पार्किंसंस डिजीज़ के, उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि अगर एक बंदे को पार्किंसंस डिजीज़ है तो उसमें सारे के 10 सिम्टम्स दिखेंगे. देयर कैन बी 10 पीपल एंड द सिम्टम्स कैन लुक डिफरेंटली इन 10 डिफरेंट पीपल. देयर आर सम सिम्टम्स लाइक ट्रेमर्स फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वो सब में दिखते हैं, विच इज़ अ वेरी बेसिक सिम्टम दैट यू टेंड टू सी, बट उसकी इंटेंसिटी कैसी है वो अलग होगी. लाइक सब में थोड़ा कम होगा तो कुछ में बहुत ज़्यादा हो सकता है, वेरी एग्जैजरेटेड. सो अगेन दैट इज गोइंग टू बी डिफरेंट अगेन. सो उसकी वजह से वो वीडियो जाके देखना, एंड दैट इज वन ऑफ द मेन रीजंस व्हाई दे टोल्ड अस कि यू इंटरैक्ट विद देम, बिकॉज दे ऑल्सो हैव कम्युनिकेशन इश्यू. सो जैसे वो बात करते हैं, दे हैव अ स्लर्ड स्पीच एट टाइम्स, या फिर जैसे वो बोलते हैं वो समझ में नहीं आते थे, उनकी वॉइस थोड़ी लो होती है. So we need to train ourselves to pay attention and concentrate and interact with them. So that was one reasons why they told us to do that. एंड सेकेंडली टू टॉक टू केयर गिवर्स, तो केयर गिवर से बात करके हमको पता चलेगा कि हाउ दे आर हेल्पिंग द पर्सन, द इंडिविजुअल, एंड हाउ द डिसऑर्डर और द डिसीज इज हैज अफेक्टेड इम्पैक्टेड देयर लाइफ अ लॉट. सो आई वॉज टॉकिंग टू दिस अंकल, and he used to work in event management in a very 5-star company, and he was very well known. People admired and respected him so much in the society. He used to actually go to a church and he was part of a choir where he used to sing, and he's saying कि ever since he's been diagnosed with it, उनके leg या knee की surgery भी हुई थी, hip की surgery हुई है because of Parkinson's, and how his life has totally changed. And I felt so sad, and I was somewhere. I had a little soft corner for him. I just spoke to him for like 10 minutes, and I was just paying attention to him when they were doing exercises. कि like उनको पानी चाहिए क्या, उनको ये चाहिए क्या, and they're just the cutest, and it just felt so sad to know that how much it impacts. And आप यहाँ पे होते हो, and all of a sudden it's just, I don't know how to explain how sad this feels, but yeah. So that was one of the things we was expected to do. And the clinical psychologist in the Dadar Center, she told us that we have to have one goal at least. So 1 goal per session. So total 6 goals because हम लोग 6 दिन जाएंगे. So one goal, something related to Parkinson's disease, and like as your career or it's a professional की तरफ profession की तरफ से, and one could be like a personal goal. So मैं कभी कभी 2 goals रखती थी. Like they also expected कि अगर personal goal होगा तो आपको एक professional goal भी चाहिए. So professional goal could be like, okay, I'm going to talk to 3 caregivers today, or I'm going to talk to 3 people today, as something like that. So I had goals like that, and I also had some goals like I want to be as engaging as possible when I'm talking to a group, because we were told to conduct cognitive activities to a group, and I am very scared to talk to a group. Like मेरे थोड़ा stage fright जैसे social anxiety जैसे है थोड़ा थोड़ा. So yeah, so मेरा वो भी वैसे टाइप का goal था. So every in the morning she used to ask us what our goal is, and when we are done with our internship, she used to ask us ki, okay, did you accomplish your goal? If you did not, then she would tell you to like carry forward it to the next day and like next time, and then you'll have a new goal on that day as well. So दोनों goals आपको accomplish करने होंगे on that day.
नाक से ही सांस लेंगे, नाक से ही सांस छोड़ेंगे.
They start with breathing exercises. They
एक बार बस मेरी तरफ देखिए. ओके, मैं थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा कर रही हूँ आपको दिखाने के लिए. छाती एंड पेट जब मैं सांस लूंगी अपने आप ऊपर आएगा, बराबर. एंड सांस छोड़ने पे पेट एंड छाती अपने आप अंदर जाती है. यस, ये हम नॉर्मल ब्रीदिंग करते वक्त यही होता है, बराबर. यही चीज को ध्यान रखते हुए हम वो 1 to 20 जो हमने काउंट किया ना, उसके साथ अभी ध्यान करेंगे कि हम लंबा सांस लेंगे एंड फिर काउंट करेंगे. ट्राई करेंगे. यस, ओके, हाथ नीचे रख दीजिए. सब लोग रेडी है? आपकी क्षमता से जितना हो सके लंबी सांस भरेंगे और उतनी ही क्षमता से सांस छोड़ेंगे. एक बार कोशिश करते हैं नाक से, और फिर एक बार कोशिश करेंगे कि मुंह से भी सांस कैसे छोड़ें. यस, ब्रीदिंग कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश करेंगे. बैक स्ट्रेट, इसलिए वापस पोस्चर करेक्ट करना पड़ेगा. एकदम सीधे बैठिए.
They do neck exercises, they do shoulder, limbs, arms, elbow, wrist, even trunk exercises. And all of this helps them in movement, because what happens in Parkinson's or any other movement disorder is your movements get a lot restricted, your muscles restrict, and अगर आप वो movement करोगे ही नहीं तो वो rigid हो जाएगा पत्थर की तरह, फिर आप move ही नहीं कर पाओगे, which is going to be very difficult, and at the end of the day like severe cases में you can be bedridden. तो अगर आप जितना movement करते हो उतना अगर आप continue रखोगे, it's like a machine जो आप oil कर रहे हो. अगर आप मशीन को ऑयल नहीं करोगे तो वो मूव नहीं होगा. एंड फॉर यू टू जस्ट ऑयल, यू हैव टू ऑल्सो मेक इट मूव. तो जितना मूवमेंट करोगे उतना बेटर होगा. एंड समटाइम्स व्हेन यू आर डिटेरियोरेटिंग, फैमिली वगैरह समटाइम्स सपोर्ट करना डिफिकल्ट हो जाते हैं. दे ट्राई टू सपोर्ट इन अ वेरी डिफरेंट वे बाय सेइंग कि नहीं हो रहा है तो मत करो, चलेगा, विच कैन बी detrimental. So PDMDS asks people to come so that they make you do these exercises there as much as you can. Nobody is forcing you कि like इतना हाथ ऊपर करना ही है. अगर आप इतना कर सकते हो तो भी चलेगा, इतना कर सकते हो भी चलेगा. So they are really supportive that way. So they do all of these kind of exercises so आपके body को movement मिले.
6, 7, loudly. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30, higher, 30, 50, 60, 70.
So after the warm-up exercises, they always have like some sessions. So on 5th December, we saw speech-related exercises.
जो हमारी बोली है, बराबर. इसमें कुछ डिफिकल्टी होता है, किसी को कुछ डिफिकल्टी होता है, तो क्या होता है? ओके. और किसी को प्रोनाउंसिएशन बराबर नहीं होता है. यस, वर्ड्स निकलते नहीं है, स्टैमरिंग होता है, स्पीच क्लियर नहीं होता है. ओके, सामने वाले को समझ नहीं आता है. यस, सेम प्रॉब्लम. ओके, पहले से आज के बात करने के तरीके में थोड़ा बदल हुआ है, ये सबके ध्यान में है ना.
So one of the things that happen is कि आपका communication में बहुत problem होता है because of the muscles in your throat and in your mouth. They kind of also get rigid, or it's very difficult to control them. That happens. So your breathing इज ऑल्सो अफेक्ट, जैसे आप बात नहीं कर सकते ज़्यादा टाइम, सो आपके ब्रीदिंग पे फोकस करते हैं वो लोग, फिर हाइपोफोनिया हो जाता है। मेड अ रील अबाउट इट, यू कैन वॉच दैट आउट टू सी द एक्सरसाइज एज वेल। तो वो एक्सरसाइज करते सो दैट बिकॉज व्हेन यू आर टॉकिंग आपके थ्रोट के मसल्स अफेक्ट हो जाते हैं, सो यू ट्राई टू टॉक वेरी लेस। उसकी वजह से अदर पीपल कैन नॉट लिसन टू व्हाट यू आर सेइंग एंड देन communication barrier हो जाता है, because other people don't understand what you're saying, then they don't pay attention to you, they don't want to talk to you, and then you feel bad about yourself, self esteem low हो जाता है, you stop interacting, and then that leads to loneliness. So it's like a very vicious cycle kind of a thing. So they work with those as well.
बात करती हूँ, है ना? वैसे ही आप भी जब जवाब देते हैं तो हम अलग अलग टोन में बात करते हैं, पर बहुत बार ऐसे होता है कि बहुत लोगों का एक ही टोन में बात करना हो जाता है, बराबर? तो पहले तो हमने ये अभी तक समझ ही गए हैं इतने एक्सरसाइजेस के बाद, जब हम सीधे बैठेंगे तब हमसे कोई भी एक्टिविटी अच्छा होगा, राइट? सिमिलरली आवाज का भी है, सब सीधे बैठेंगे, अभी पैरों को अच्छे से आगे रखिए, ओके? पैरों को अच्छे से कंफर्टेबली बैठेंगे, पर कोई लाउड नहीं करें, ठीक है?
And as always, जैसे they begin the session with warm-up exercises, they end the session with cool-down exercises. Tuesday, बोरीवली को गए थे, which is our second day of internship, and वहाँ पे भी same था. We had warm-up exercise in the beginning. उसके बाद they had something new, like new for us maybe, boxing exercises. So they took these boxing ones, like आपको ऐसे हाथ रखना है ऐसे, and then have to like jab, jab.
बट फिक्स बनाना है हमें, ओके? जो पहला पंच है हमारा उसको हम बोलेंगे जैब, तो वो सीधा मारना है हमें, जैब, लेफ्ट हैंड, जैब, बैक, जैब, बैक, राइट क्रॉस, लेफ्ट क्रॉस, राइट क्रॉस, लेफ्ट क्रॉस,
अपर कट.
तो अभी जो नेक्स्ट पंच हम सीखेंगे उसका नाम है अपर कट. तो पहले चलो बॉक्सर स्टैंड में आ जाते हैं, ओके? अभी हम सब लोग थोड़ा राइट की तरफ झुकेंगे, आपका राइट, राइट, करेक्ट, और खींचो एकदम नीचे, अपर एंड मारो, राइट की तरफ झुकेंगे एंड ड्रैग, अपर मारो, अपर, जोर से अपर, अपर, अपर,
And like hook.
तो क्या करेंगे? हाथ ऐसे करो, ऐसे ही रखना है, नीचे भी नहीं ऊपर भी नहीं, शोल्डर लेवल पे रखेंगे, खींचो पीछे एकदम जोर से ताकत खींचो, हुक, राइट, राइट, अच्छे से पीछे जाओ, राइट, राइट,
And stuff like that, and it was very cute to see 70-year-old, 80-year-old, 60-year-old old people actually doing boxing exercises, like boxing के movements.
मैं रैंडमली बोलूंगी, मैं ऐसे बोलूंगी, राइट, जैब, लेफ्ट, क्रॉस, तो आपको वैसे करना है. चलो देखते हैं कितने लोगों को ये समझ आया. राइट, जैब, लेफ्ट, क्रॉस, करके बताओ. करेक्ट, कुछ लोगों को समझ आया. तो ये मेरा राइट हैंड है, तो मैं राइट हैंड से जैब करूंगी,
And of course, at the end, we had cool down exercises again. Third day of our internship, Thursday, we went to Dadar. वहाँ पे भी same warm up exercise थे and they had a cool down. They had what am I saying? Boxing exercises as well.
बराबर तो साइड से झुकेंगे रहेगा, साइड से झुकेंगे, हाथ पीछे नीचे लेके जाएंगे और ऊपर पंच करेंगे. यस, वेरी नाइस. इतना ऊपर मत करना, ठीक है, थोड़ा एनर्जी बचा.
And like I mentioned in the beginning, we had to do cognitive activities, right? So they had divided us into two groups. एक तो 3 जन का ग्रुप था और एक 5 जन का था. Let's focus on 3 जन का ग्रुप. तो 3 जन के ग्रुप को अभी एक छोटे छोटे एक्टिविटीज करने थे 10-10 मिनट के, 5-10 मिनट के, विथ स्मॉल स्मॉल ग्रुप्स. Tuesday, we went to Borivali, which is 4th day of internship. वहाँ से बोरिवली में एक चीज़ होती है जो दादर में नहीं होती है. द कोऑर्डिनेटर देयर, राइट, वो ना सबको पूछता है कि अच्छा आपने कुछ नया क्या किया, आपने क्या किया ड्यूरिंग द वीक एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. एंड देयर इज दिस वन लेडी, अगेन आई एम सॉरी आई कुड नॉट फिल्म दिस. शी शोज दीज थिंग्स, शी ब्रिंग्स दीज थिंग्स दैट शी मेक्स यू डूइंग क्रोशे. वो क्रोशे करती है एंड देन शी गेट्स लाइक छोटू ऐसे पॉकेट साइज, लाइक ऐसे बैग बनाई होगी या फिर की चेन बनाया होगा क्रिसमस ट्री का, बिकॉज क्रिसमस आ रहा है, राइट. So something like that, which is very cute. And then there is this uncle, वो वॉकर पे आते हैं, ओके, वॉकर लेके आते हैं. एंड ओ माई गॉड, लाइक आई वॉज जस्ट टॉकिंग टू हिम वन डे एंड ही वॉज लाइक शोइंग मी लाइक ही डज कलरिंग. सो उनके बेटे ने उनको कलरिंग बुक ला के दिए हैं एंड स्केच पेन्स एंड क्रेयॉन्स ही यूज एंड ही कलर्स देम एंड दे लुक सो गुड. And at the end of it, I asked him like आप कैसे जानने वाले, like मैं जाऊँगा. And he had like difficulty speaking, like he had issues, so it was very difficult for me to actually understand what he's saying. So I spoke to a volunteer कि like वो ऐसे खुद से चले जाते हैं, like should I get like a rickshaw for him or something? And she's like no, वो बस से चले जाते हैं. And I was like yeah, that's exactly what he said. I thought he said कि मैं बस से जाता हूँ, बस से चला जाऊँगा. But I was like, am I misinterpreting? Like did I hear something wrong? Or I don't know. So but yeah, I was like a little worried for him because he got up in the middle of the session to go to the washroom and he actually fell because he did not have his walker next to him, because exercises कर रहे थे तो उसे walker हाथ पे लग जाता वगैरह इसलिए. So I was a little worried for him कि like would he go, will he be okay? But he goes to Borivali every week and takes the bus, so I think he's fine. But I don't tell myself that he's fine. And then that lady वो पूछती है coordinator and then she shows it to everyone कि like देखो आंटी ने ये बनाया, अंकल ने ये बनाया, which is very cute and very validating as well. उस दिन 4th day को they had question answer session, so whatever questions the people had they used to ask and then she used to kind of answer.
हमारा ब्रेन हमेशा हमें प्रोटेक्ट करता है, ओके. तो ये अगर ड्राई होने लगती है ना तो ब्रेन हमारी आंखों को सिग्नल देता है कि और वाटर बनाओ, और वाटर बनाओ. जब तक हम ब्लिंक नहीं करेंगे वो और वाटर बनाते जाएगा. अभी एक्सेस वाटर कहाँ जाएगा, वो बाहर निकलता है. तो इसका कोई साइड इफेक्ट नहीं है. अगर ये हो रहा है तो इसमें आपको कुछ हार्म नहीं है, बट अगर ऐसा हो रहा है तो आपको भी वही एक्सरसाइज वापस करनी है, ब्लिंकिंग. कई बार वो स्टिफनेस की वजह से ब्लिंकिंग नहीं होता है, इसीलिए विजुअल बहुत सारे डिफिकल्टीज आती है, ओके.
And as usual I forgot to mention कि पहले वार्म अप एक्सरसाइजेस थे, फिर क्वेश्चन आंसर्स किया, फिर कूल डाउन किया था. I keep forgetting that, but yeah, you know that already. Fifth day and the last day of internship at Dadar Center, they had Christmas kind of a celebration was then. I don't know why they were celebrating Christmas a week before Christmas, because like it's the fifth day, like second last, तो next Thursday को we were not going to go to Dadar, so पता नहीं क्यों, but anyway, तो पहले फर्स्टली जिनके भी हमारे मेरे जो बैचमेट्स थे उनके जिनके भी कॉग्निटिव एक्टिविटीज़ बचे थे, 3 ग्रुप वाले वो उन्होंने ख़त्म किए. उसके बाद they had some warm up exercises and then we had this arts and craft session which was so cute. Everybody was like working and doing, and then they were singing songs.
Couch होके कि सीधा back straight करो सब. Back straight everyone. दूसरा पेपर भी पीछे हमको फोल्ड करो.
And then उसके बाद we clicked their pictures into this cute little thing that still looks so cute. And then the last day of our internship, बोरिवली को गए थे ट्यूसडे को, एंड वहाँ पे वी हैड लाइक अ क्रिसमस सेलिब्रेशन, क्रिसमस पार्टी. So generally they conduct some games and all of that for them, but because हम लोग वहाँ पे थे as interns, so they told us कि like do you want to do, and anyway हमको करना ही था. like एक 3 जन के ग्रुप का तो सबका हो गया था, बट एक 5 जन के ग्रुप को भी एक बड़ी एक्टिविटी करनी थी, which was like games, not cognitive activity as such, but it has games, and they had given us some goals that we had to keep in mind. So that they should be some kind of they should be related to goal setting, या फिर some time management या something like that, which I'll put up, you can read it. तो उसके हिसाब से करना था. So my group came up with something that people would like. So I am a millennial. मेरे time के movies, if you are a Bollywood fanatic, you would know that they were so much better than the movies we have right now. इतने भी अच्छे नहीं थे, but उस ज़माने के लिए बहुत अच्छे थे, okay. And उसके भी पुराने ज़माने के movies या देवानंद के, अमिताभ बच्चन के, तो वो तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छे थे, right? तो I know for a fact that me being a 90s era girl, I loved Bollywood. तो मेरे पहले लाइक मेरे मॉम डैड के ज़माने उनके आगे वाले, तो दे वर ऑल्सो थोड़े मूवी फैनेटिक. लाइक वॉचिंग मूवीज बैक देन इन थिएटर्स और समथिंग वाज अ वेरी बिग डील, एंड पीपल वर क्रेजी टू वॉच मूवीज एंड स्टफ बैक देन मोर देन द वे दे आर राइट नाउ. सो आई न्यू फॉर अ फैक्ट कि उनको इंटरेस्ट होगा इन बॉलीवुड मूवीज एंड स्टफ. माई ग्रुप केम आउट विथ इज, जो डायलॉग्स होते हैं बहुत फेमस डायलॉग्स, वो हम आधा बोलेंगे और आधा उनको कंप्लीट करना है, एंड देन दे हैव टू टेल अस कौन सी मूवी का था और कौन से एक्टर ने बोला था. लाइक समथिंग लाइक मैं बोलूँगी कि कुत्ते कमीने मैं तेरा डैश, एंड देन people from the audience has to like complete कि मैं तेरा खून पी जाऊंगा, धर्मेंद्र ने बोला था, and he said it in यादों की बारात. किसी ने शोले बोला, because that dialogue became really famous for धर्मेंद्र, okay. So things like that we did, and what PDMDS had done is कि 4 ग्रुप्स में लोगों को बांट डाला था, एंड हम लोग का 5 जन का 4 ग्रुप्स थे. So each group had to do like one section. So each group had to conduct this activity 4 times, which was tiring because we had to scream, because 3 और जन बोल रहे हैं, राइट? तो उसकी वजह से इट वाज वेरी कियोटिक एंड बहुत कमोशन था। सो इवन आई और मेरे ग्रुप वाले को भी चिल्लाना पड़ रहा था सो दैट दे कैन हियर। ऑलरेडी दे आर ओल्ड, ऑलरेडी दे हैव पीडी, सो दे ऑलरेडी हैड सम इश्यूज। ऊपर से सुनाई नहीं दे रहा था, वो जो बोल रहे हमें सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है, सो इट वाज लाइक वेरी chaotic, बट इट वाज फन at the end. उसके बाद थोड़े स्नैक्स खाए, उसके बाद थोड़ा डांसिंग किया। वी डांस्ड विथ सो मेनी ऑफ देम। आई विश आई कुड टेक videos of it, but I was dancing with one auntie, so it was hard to take videos. So that was like the whole internship experience with PDMDS. My biggest takeaway from this experience would be, like, obviously I got to experience, like, no, pay attention and observe the symptoms of PD for sure, and how it actually affects someone's daily life. Like, that's obviously there, but main thing I learned there, like a personal thing, is any kind of activities that we do for the betterment of someone, it doesn't have to be boring. It can be thoda entertaining and exciting. Like the boxing activity, I am in love with that activity. It was so good. Like, it was just like a normal thing, but for them to do this, or for them to do the uppercut, they had to like move their torso to the side and then take it up, or to do this. So it's a very simple thing, but even for them, right? Imagine you are 70, 80-year old and you are told that, you know what, you are going to learn how to box today. You see the irony behind it, right? And then you're doing it also. It's so much fun. Like, that's what I liked about it. That therapy, or physical therapy rather, does not have to be boring. You can make it fun and exciting, and that's one thing I learned. Second thing I learned is that you don't have to do big things to make big changes. Even smallest things also make a big difference. So when they were asking questions, right, तो उसमें से बहुत सारे questions, कुछ लोगों ने से questions पूछे कि I have difficulty blinking my eyes, या फिर dry eyes हो जाते हैं, या फिर my eyes become watery or something like that. And she was telling them कि you have to consciously sit ड्यूरिंग डिफरेंट टाइम्स ऑफ योर डे, लाइक सुबह को, दोपहर को, शाम को, रात को, ऐसे 4 बार 2-2 मिनट के लिए भी कर सकते हो, वेर यू कॉन्शियसली सिट एंड blink, blink, blink. And that will help with your dryness, that will help with the watery eyes as well. Even when they're doing these exercises, yeah, they like just clap. So a clapping movement, we don't even pay attention, like, because we do not have movement issues, but even this clapping thing is actually also making them like move, and that also helps. Like, the smallest things also do so much more. The third and the last thing that I learned, for me, was, it's a little personal thing. Like, I think I did mention it in the beginning, that I am a lone wolf, guys. I work alone. I love working by myself. I'm like the only child. I'm so much independent and stuff. So when I had to work with other people, like 3 ka group ho, 5 ka group ho, I had to work with different groups, and was that pushed me outside my comfort zone, actually. So that was like a learning experience. I actually enjoyed working with a group for a change, which is just very new for me, to be honest. You can say that I do have anxiety when it comes to talking to people. So and I have this insecurity that I am boring and people would not want to listen to me. So I always think that if I'm talking to a group of people, they are not going to find they're going to find me boring. They're not going to like listen to me. So to be engaging and to talk to them, and then they all looking at me and answering and participating and listening to me and paying attention to me was felt good. And that kind of that's an experience that I want to remember, so that next time, because being a psychologist you have to like conduct workshops and stuff for different kind of groups. That's another way you can earn also, and that's another way you can impart your knowledge and create awareness. So it's kind of important to conduct workshops as a psychologist. So I would need to do it in the future. So I want to like hold this experience and remember that I was not bad. I can do it. And also, for those workshops, you have to also conduct these tasks or activities. That's, I'm like, I'm not creative. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. But when I had to come up with activities, I could do it. Like I could make something. So that is another thing that I learned, that I can be creative. I can do it. That's all. I can do it. One thing I forgot to mention is that with all of these things that I said, we also had to do posters and reels. So I already made one reel, which PDMD has also actually shared on their story. So we had to do that as well. So that was also a nice break from all the studies and very psychology related stuff. थोड़ा creative work भी करने को मिला हमें वहाँ पे. And that is it for today's video. Let me know if you enjoyed this. I also made another vlog where I was doing an observership in a kind of a place which is kind of like a school for people who have neurodevelopmental disorders. You can check it out upper. And yeah, I will see you next Saturday with another video on psychology. Bye.